Alright, so I was scrolling on Cults 3D and I found this model. It's a soda opener, juice can opener. The idea of designing this is for those people who doesn't have ability on their hand or don't have strength to open that can. This helped a lot of people, which I read some articles about it, and it was very helpful for some people. And I was like, we have 3D printers, so why not try it on and show you guys as well. So the interesting thing with this design is everything is 3D printed. You don't have to use any hardware. Everything will be printed and assembled together and it should work. So let's do it. So I purchased the file on Cults 3D and I throw it on my Bamboo Lab slicer and print the files. Alright, here I have all the files being printed on Bamboo Labs H2C. I use different material for this print because it's functional print and you don't have to use glue or hardware. This is a spring and I used PETG so it doesn't lose that spring effect. And for the side covers, I used PLA Plus because you have these hinges and it will have some force. So I was like, okay, we will use PLA Plus, and also this one is PLA Plus too. And for the body, I used PLA Metallic with fuzzy skin because it will be easier to hold it when it has fuzzy skin, and also painted this section, which is very important to see the direction and how you have to put it on the can. And for the handle, I used normal PLA. Alright, so the assembling process should be very easy. We're gonna put this aside and we will have this, and we're gonna put this one like this. So it has that spring effect and you have to bypass this, and yeah, now it's good. Next, the spring, which the tolerance is very bad with this model, and I had to sand some of that and then it was working. But with the spring, let's see, still tight, but yeah, it works its way. And then we will put this cover on. We're gonna bring this, and then we have to put this, but make sure this spring rests here. Okay, this is what I mean. It has to sit there. And now we will push this a bit so that hole is aligned, and then we will put the covers, and also for the other side. Yeah, that's it. Alright, now everything is assembled and you have to make sure this is aligned with the top. So when you put it like this, it has to be aligned. That's why I printed in a different color so it won't be visible. And if you put it like this, it's not gonna hold that tab. So yeah, let's test it. I like the idea how it's working, and it's very satisfying when you put it on and opens right away. Let us know in a comment section below, do you know anyone to gift it to them? I'll make sure to put the file in the video description box below. I hope they're gonna fix the tolerance with this, otherwise you have to sand it a bit, but that's not a problem. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.